brilliant with intelligence, but it's not the meanest shit in Excel.
He's got sheet smarts. Whoa! Spreadsheet smarts. Whoa!
I'm in love with the sheet
He's
smart.
got sheet smarts. Yeah! Spreadsheet smarts. Yeah!
I'm so in love with the sheet smart.
And now he's on YouTube with imposter syndrome. YouTube.